Hey friends, it's Cal, and this is our 30-foot school bus we turned into our dream home on wheels. However, that's not the point. We're taking you on a drive all the way across the country and back. So, let's roll. Oh, while you're here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. That way you know you're along for the ride and it helps me out too. But yeah, we still have plenty of miles left to cover, so let's go. Let's do the thing. Breaking down, moving into a diesel shop, and running over our car definitely were not on our list of things to do when we first hit the road. However, we made it.
I hear that.
We fixed the bus, made a few repairs, and we hit the road, officially starting our journey west. First, we made our way down to Georgia, where we picked up 2 new kittens, Puddles and Moose. We're now a family of 6. Remember this? We caught the stomach flu, but we did get to check out a Buc-ee's, and that was incredible. We will be back. A few more miles got us over to Kentucky.
I don't know, we're in Kentucky.
Where we explored some caves together. I had no idea there were caves like that in Kentucky.
We're gonna go what?
Spelunking.
And then a quick pit stop landed us in Illinois.
What state are we in?
Illinois.
So we're in Illinois.
However, we very quickly made our way over to St. Louis, Missouri. And this is where we hit our first
We
sign.
hit a sign.
With the mirror.
With the mirror. It was nothing.
And we got to check out the Gateway Arch too, which was cool. Somehow the sun is coming out. Look at this sun coming out. Oh my goodness, to make our way west, which was the goal. That's where we're headed. We went north, making our way officially over to South Dakota.
Oh, I did it. Dude, I just got a video of a bison taking a...
Which was a dream come true. We had never been there before. And it was the most beautiful drive ever. Now we are currently driving through Wyoming, which is another dream, and it's absolutely incredible as well. So I'm gonna let the vlog do the talking. I'm gonna go. You sit here, relax, enjoy the thing, and oh yeah, one last thing. You're gonna wanna buckle up. It's gonna be a wild ride. Okay, bye.
When I say we just landed at the coolest parking spot for the night ever, I mean it. We're going on a bear hunt. We're gonna catch a big one. Can you hear the river? Hey, friend. Oh my god. God, I need to go to bed.
Nightmare.
Going on a bear hunt. I'm gonna catch a big one. I'm not scared. It's a beautiful day. Uh-oh. We just woke up in the most beautiful spot. We're getting ready to head over to Yellowstone. We drove through it last night for over an hour. Saw so many cool animals. We drove all around the lake. We saw the things that go psh. I saw geysers. Bee! Bee! Hi, beautiful place. Thank you for being good to us. Awesome job, B.
It's easy going up.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, I love it here.
The engine smelled worse this morning because it got to pretty much freezing last night.
Really?
And so when it's cold like that, affects ignition or combustion. So you get extra fuel that doesn't burn. And so that's what causes like little bits of white smoke to come out of the exhaust. We'll get the leg iced over.
Oh wow. Coming down the track.
Oh, it's a Yellowstone tool.
That's even fucking cooler. Damn! Fucking sick! Oh, you're fine. There was a deer, apparently. You're so zoomed in on my face. Get out.
Still want to park at the lake for a bit?
Up to you. We don't have to first thing. That's up to you.
Well, I'm not sure if we'll get a chance to get back to the lake. Well, unless we do it. Do you want to spend the whole day at Yellowstone and go park where we parked last night?
Where did we park last night? When I say we just landed at the coolest parking spot for the night ever, I mean it. How about this spot?
It's beautiful.
Good find.
I am surprised that it worked out as well as it did.
Bumps.
That's so cool. Good job, Z. Whoa. You're so crooked, bud.
Hey you! Yeah you! Thanks for being along for the ride. Seriously, you guys continuing to come back each and every week to support this journey means the world to me and my family. So stick around, I promise. It's only gonna get cooler from here. While I have you here, real quick, please do me a favor and don't forget, you guys can like this video. There's a little thumbs up. It goes a long way. Let's leave a comment down below. Share maybe your favorite memory from the trip so far, or perhaps somewhere you think we should stop along the way, whether that's this way or that way. And then lastly, don't forget to subscribe. That way you know you're along for the ride and it helps me out too, not gonna lie. All right, I guess that's it. I will see you guys down the road and every Sunday with a new video.